Welcome to my 31 replicated website. I wanted to show you today how easy it is to add that personal touch to your gift. So first of all, we want to pick out that perfect present. So let's just scroll around here and see what's happening. Ooh, look at these cute girls. It looks like we're having a sale. You spend $50 and get any item 50% off, including this market thermal right here. Oh, we got some new cute summer starters and sales. So it is awesome. I am going to, oh, we got an outlet happening. Okay, so you can click these buttons here and just shop from whatever category you see that is grabbing your attention, or you can use this shop area here. And I just invite you to play around. You can look at the catalogs through here. You can check out some of our blog ideas. There's all kinds of fun stuff. If you want to learn more about 31, our story, how we give back, please play around on this website, okay? But today's all about personalization. So let's start with one of our best sellers, okay? So I am going to go to best sellers. And if you have been around 31 for a while, you'll recognize some of these. This I will show you says, oh, you're not shopping with one of my parties. So you can always check out my parties if you want to add onto there, because I oftentimes have a mystery hostess party. So let's go ahead and shop that. Mystery hostess just means you have a chance to win rewards just for shopping with me. Okay, so I clicked on that. Now I'm going to go back to the best sellers. Make sure you guys get the most bang for your buck. Look at all these awesome best sellers. Okay, so I am going to grab the large utility tote here. $35, great value. I love the stepping stones print here, so I am going to add my personalization to this one. But of course, you can scroll, look at all the different views, check out from any of the fabrics below. The charcoal crosshatch is one of our #1 sellers because it's so easy to personalize. Now I'm going to go back to the stepping stones. All right, so easy to do this. You can play around. I'm going to click personalize. And here we go. All right, so we've already chosen our prints. So step 2 is to choose the personalization. So you can shop by category. So you can limit your options down on this screen, or you can scroll through all of them. All right, so I am looking for a soccer ball because I'm a soccer mom, and that's what we do around here. We are always on the go with our soccer ball. So many cute options, okay? There it is, there's soccer. So I'm going to put that big old soccer ball on there. And then we have a new team this year that my girls are going to. So maybe instead of a black ball, I might switch it up. We're going to be blue and green. So I'm just going to change the color of the soccer ball to blue, see if I like it. I'm kind of a traditional kind of girl, so I think I'm going to change that right back to black. And then I can leave it just like that and add it to the cart, or I can add some text. So with our icons, you can add 1 or 2 lines of text to it, and it will adjust the size of the soccer ball accordingly. So let's do shoot and score. We'll see what that looks like. I told you our team colors are blue, so I'm going to put blue on there. And then I'm going to say, I don't know about that print. I'm going to play around with some of the other fonts. Love it. Okay, and now that I see the soccer ball and the words on here, I'm thinking I might change the fabric. So I'm just going to go back up here to the product print. And I'm going to go with that black. All kinds of cute options. Look, I kind of like that better. Tell me what you think. Shoot and score. Let me go back to the text and color. So I'm just going to re-click on that tab. I'm going to add another line. Let's go team. All right, you can see when I added this extra line, the ball got a little bit smaller again. You can check out what it looks like as you're adding more words. It will adjust accordingly to fit it all on there. You can play around from here, change up the font if you want. Super easy to play around. And then when you find what you like, I love that. You can just click Save and Add to Cart. And then when you are ready to finish, you can go to your cart. You can keep shopping. It'll automatically let you keep shopping, or you can click on your cart up here and check out. It's going to remind me I'm shopping on the Mystery Hostess, so I'll be entered to win that prize. I can see the details of the personalization again here. And then all you have to do is check out. So one thing I'm going to recommend you do is sign in or create an account at checkout, because 31 will send you some great deals and surprise discounts if you have an account with us. So don't miss out on that, okay? And then as you check out, it is just like any other checkout screen. But I hope that was helpful for you to see the Personalization Studio in action today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. There's my name. If you click on the contact information, you should be able to see my info. It's not wanting to change screens right now. It is thinking so hard. Just know that I am easy to reach here. Thanks for watching.